On the issue of bank prosecution, I'm concerned that we have a mentality of too big to jail in the financial sector, of spreading from fraud cases to terrorist financing and money laundering cases, and I cite HSBC. So I think we're on a slippery slope. So then that's background for this question. I don't have recollection of DOJ prosecuting any high-profile financial criminal convictions in either companies or individuals. Assistant Attorney General Brewer said that one reason why DOJ has not brought these prosecutions is that it reaches out to quote-unquote experts to see what effect the prosecutions would have on the financial markets. So then on January 29th, Senator Brown and I requested details on who these so-called experts are. So far, we've not received any information. Maybe you're going to, but why have we not yet been provided the names of the experts that DOJ consults with, as we requested on January 29th? Because we need to find out why we aren't having these high-profile cases. And then I got one follow-up, so maybe you can answer that quickly.
Well, we'll endeavor to answer your letter, Senator. We did not, as I understand it, retain experts outside of the government in making determinations with regard to HSBC. Now, if we could just put that aside for a minute, though, the concern that you have raised is one that I frankly share, and I'm not talking about HSBC now, because that maybe that not be appropriate. But I am concerned that the size of some of these institutions becomes so large that it does become difficult for us to prosecute them when we are hit with indications that if you do prosecute, if you do bring a criminal charge, it will have a negative impact on the national economy, perhaps even the world economy. And I think that is a function of the fact that some of these institutions have become too large. Again, I'm not talking about HSBC. This is just a more general comment. I think it has an inhibiting influence, impact on our ability to bring resolutions that I think would be more appropriate. And I think that is something that you all need to consider. So the concern that you raise is actually one that I share.